And today was a readiness hearing for Cardenas and her brother Jesus, and they pleaded not guilty yet again. Now, this is pretty notable because this is the first time that we're seeing Cardenas in court since she's resigned from her seat on the Chula Vista City Council. In fact, that announcement being made yesterday in a memo to her staff, where she did not mention her criminal charges that she is currently facing, but instead said she was prioritizing her mental health and the health of her community in resigning. Now, she and her brother are charged with conspiracy to commit fraud, money laundering, and failing to file tax returns. Investigators say that both siblings lied on their application to the federal government's Paycheck Protection Program to get $176,000 in taxpayer dollars during the pandemic. It's then alleged they illegally used part of that money to help pay off Andrea's campaign debt. Now, while there was another readiness hearing that was scheduled for a later date, we did ask the defense if they'd be open to a plea deal. They did not outright deny that. They did not outright say that they would be, but that remains an open possibility. Take a listen to what both sides had to say after today's proceedings.
So today we amended our original complaint. We added one additional charge of grand theft. It's a felony. It alleges that between April 22nd, 2020 and December 1st, 2020, that both Andrea Cardenas and Jesus Cardenas, the two defendants, unlawfully stole money from the Employment Development Department, that's EDD, over $950.
Over the last 2 hours, we've been trying to negotiate a resolution with the District Attorney's Office. Those negotiations were not fruitful this morning. We hope that at the next hearing, we can have a more meaningful discussion to hopefully resolve this matter.
And of course, we're going to continue to follow the very latest with this, including the fact that Cardenas remains on the ballot running for District 4 in the Chula Vista City Council race. If she is one of the top two vote getters, she technically would move on to that November election. Of course, we're going to continue to follow that side as well. Back to you.